First, you're going to take this end of the camera cable and plug it in where it says camera in. Now take the red wire and hook it to the wire that says back on your wire harness. This is the wire that signals your radio to show the backup camera. Now run the other end through your dash and put your radio back in. Now that the radio is back in, we're going to take the other end and put it through the firewall. Now send it through the bottom of the engine bay and down the frame to the back. Now that your camera cable is running out the back, plug these two into each other, and this one goes to the reverse light power source, so it signals the radio to go into reverse. This end of the camera goes to the power cord, which you can hook up to your reverse light so it only has power when you're in reverse, or straight to the battery and then it always has power. I'm going to hook the reverse signal wire and the camera power positive to each other because they both go to the reverse light positive. On this vehicle, the red and black wire is the reverse lights, so I'm going to hook these to it. What I've done is just peel back some of the wire coating and hook the wire to the camera to it. Now the black end of your camera power source, you just ground out on the frame. Now before we mount the camera, let's make sure that it works. and the camera comes on. Later I'll get a license plate camera, but for now I'll mount it here because this is the camera that came with my radio. Now the camera's mounted. So now it's hooked up. Whenever you go into reverse, your camera comes on.